why didn't you?
Oh. Oh. Well, it wasn't perfect. I always thought that if it ever happened, and yes, I've thought about it a lot. It had to be just perfect.